Hey, man, son, man, Vice of the Real Artist Progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest, you see?
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. Hey, guys, today we are with Squash. Yeah, man, the six boss himself with Menace. Yeah, Menace. Yeah. So I want to jump off 5 days ago, but I was around, but I wasn't around, you know what I mean? Yeah, the comment section has been active to react to this one. We're here. We're going to react anyway, but you don't know we do things in our own time. Yeah. So we're there, same way. We're there. We're going to react to that one right now. Expect a lot of pausing because we're not work and not get no pay. We have to get to pay. We have to get to money. If we not pause, we not get pay. So who don't like it, leave the channel. It's not for you. Right. Let's go, Squash, man. Yeah, say Menace. Let's go.
Ooh, bad.
Isn't this the same, like the same type of bicycle like when a baby boy? If you not watch that show, they go and go watch it. Baby boy. Same bicycle. 6.
Rich nigga shit. Fuck a nigga bitch. I ain't innocent. I'm a man.
Yo, big up the 6 people them. Dan Sky, let me pause and go on a credit. Yes. Solitaire Music, big up yourself. Dan Sky, Go Getter, big up on yourself. Yeah, Menace.
Real famous. Bitch lit, this balls ain't tennis. Bitch lit, this balls ain't. I won't play with a heart, I'ma break it.
Squash a rap. Squash a rapper. Squash, you're done rapper. Alright, let me hear what y'all say, G.
Bitch lit, this balls ain't. I won't play with a heart, I'ma break it. Is this a birthday, babe? Shake it.
I won't play with your heart, girl, shake. I won't play with your heart, I will break it. It is your birthday, girl, shake it.
Put the cups up. Put the bottles up. Put the cups up. Don't talk to my boy, get the money up.
Yeah, man, not chat to me, man, get your money up, man. Not chat to me when I broke reason with you, man, get your money up, man. Get your money up, dog.
Me make 100 grand, I'm done it out. Any gal when me breathe, get a tummy tuck.
Any gal when me breathe, get a tummy tuck. What that mean? I mean, obviously, we know what tummy tuck is, but what that even mean? Gosh.
When I broke like that, gonna fucking up. 80.5, so my money enough. If she see the big brick pussy open up.
From mama see a big brick, he black. Pussy up, man. Win that door. Shut her. Blinds, pussy up, yeah.
Yes, amigo Hennessy, I'm a double cup. She work out fit body. Give me this mommy, man, bad totally. Me gal bring a.
Hold on.
Double cup. She work out fit body. Give me.
Woman hot, you know. A woman make me go back, you know.
Pussy open up. Yes, amigo Hennessy, I'm a double cup. She work out fit body.
Okay. Woman hot, you know. Yeah, man, mama hot, man, flat belly and get things, man.
Body, give me this mommy, man, bad totally. Me gal bring a friend and she fuck Molly. She said me too bad, hand me too this honest.
Gal bring a friend and she fuck Molly. Molly dumb. Yes, bring a friend from a friend. Yes, make your friend become my friend. And it was them fuck till the end.
Scam my boy lavish, sweet like fabric. Day and night firing and I be a bad dolly. Promise the 6 pounds lift dead smarty.
Day and night firing. Hold on, the boss said from you see the 6 pounds lift, you know say somebody a job, somebody a got dead, somebody a get fined. He mean it. What is it? Squash about artist? Yes, I said squash about artist.
I need company, my Glock got bodies. Put the bottles up, put the cups up. Don't talk to my boy, get the money up. Me make 100 grand, I'm done it all.
Yo, that one are different. By Squash. Rhythm different, it different. Rhythm different, the flow different. Versatility.
Any gal when me breathe, get a tummy tuck. Until you hear that man, me will rub him out. Me drive out, now Benz, yeah, me coming home.
Tell you hear that man, me rub him out. Tell you hear that man, say me look shot to them bumbleclad. If he is himself, I make your guy road go fuck me. That's what the G has said, not me.
If she see the big brick pussy open up. Guess amigo Hennessy, I'm a double cup. She work out fit body. Give me this mommy, man, bad totally. Me gal bring friends and
Yo, this different. This different. This different. For real, this different.
Them fuck Bobby, me live like Maddis. Big black matic under me 6 jacket.
Big black matic under me 6 jacket. And before that, him say, Mama bring a friend and she fuck Bobby. So when I go fuck Mali, when I go fuck Bobby. Bobby 6, you don't know.
Drink and smoke, we party tonight. Somebody girl taking away home mine. I'm trying to get my dick sucked, turned on the light. I see the way you're looking at me, good night, babe.
I'm trying to get my dick sucked, turn on the light. I see the way you're looking at me, baby girl, good night. Lord. Lord.
Let me buy a drink, me a bonus spliff. Then I broke your dick, me carry 9x19 30 clip.
That one, yeah, I go be a banger. What do you say? That one, I go bang?
You know Pablo the Esco, I saw me rich. Put the bottles up, put the cups up. Don't talk to my boy, get the money up.
Man say, you know Pablo the Esco, I saw me rich. So him clarify which Pablo him attack. I know Pablo YG attack, obviously big up Pablo YG. But a Pablo Escobar attack. So him a compare him richness to Pablo Escobar. Rich.
Me make 100 grand, I'm done it all. Any gal when me breed, get a tummy tuck. Gonna broke like that, gonna fucking up.
Yeah, man, gonna broke, man. Yo, one thing on the G, them, brother, they might have some sort of machine in a alright, man, not informal. Play.
Pine 5, so my money no. But she see the big pussy open up. Guess I me go Hennessy, I'm a double cup.
Yo, them get a do them body, not true. One do lip, do body. One do body, do breast. One do breast, do alright.
Work out fit body. Give me this mommy, man bad totally. Me gal bring a friend and she fuck Molly. She said me too bad, hand me too this honest.
She said me too bad, hand me too this honest. Yes. Yeah, Menace. That's what she said. Yeah.
I'm boy like sweet like fabric. Day and night, carrying and I be a bad dolly. Promise the 6 pounds slip, that's smarty. Promise the 6 pounds slip, that's smarty.
Where the gold them gone? Where the gold bar them gone? Let him say so. Where the gold bar them gone? Watch it. Be $100 billionaire now. The girl him rob them. The girl him take the money. No, the girl not use the money. No, I'm not in life on the girl them. What I think what I want to do, let me know what you guys think about this one. Big up yourself, Squash. And one different from the 6 bars, of course. One different. Dance Sky, big up yourself. Like me say, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Solitary Music, big up yourself. Yes. 6 Real Records, big up on yourself, CMA. Squash, big up yourself, my G. One different. 6 fans, I want to say bad. If they want to bad in the comment section, put bad. You see me? Bad. Yes. But this time I'm going to leave down. I say if you enjoyed that one, I want to leave a like on the video. Subscribe on there if you're new, and I will see you. I will see you in the next one.
Hey man, son, I'm Vice of the Real Artist Progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest, you see?